Hi guys, my name is Chanela Adolphe and I am from the beautiful island of St. Lucia. I will be hosting a new series called Love in Paradise, where we will be discussing all things wedding related. Buckle up your seatbelt while we take you on a ride down the aisle. Wedding planning in the Caribbean can seem like a huge task, but breaking it down into manageable steps can make the process much smoother. Here's a general roadmap to get you started. Establish your priorities. This involves sitting down with your partner and discussing what matters most to both of you for your wedding day. Is it the venue, the guest list, the food, the entertainment, or something else? Understanding your priorities will help you allocate your budget and time accordingly. It's also essential to be flexible and willing to compromise on less critical aspects to focus on what truly matters to you as a couple. Thank you for tuning in, and we do hope our series can assist you with planning your wedding. If you like this type of content, feel free to like and follow us for more, where we'll be covering new topics every 2 weeks. Feel free to comment down below and we'll be answering them in the next video. Thank you.